The Free Sports and Supercar Owners Club. That doesn't mean we're actually giving cars away free, does it? No, maybe not.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Lee.
I'm Sean.
And this is SC UK. Positioned as one of the leading sports and supercar owners clubs, we're a completely free and independent group run by petrolheads for petrolheads.
From free organised drive-outs, track days, secret meets and photo shoots, to dealer visits, factory tours, charity events, national car shows and more, our annual calendar is always packed full of events for all tastes and interests.
For this next season, we've got trips away to Scotland, Wales, Europe, the Lake District and many, many more. The registration only takes a couple of minutes. It's open to all qualifying sports and supercar owners. Just visit supercarowner.co.uk and enter your details.
Once logged in, you can pre-register for any of our events and also receive email notifications for when new events are coming up.
If you're looking for a free sports and supercar owners club that's all about the people and not just the cars, come and get involved.
Including?
I've got it's written in front of me. I can say it. You need to dance in front of the camera. That might get me going. That's a bit wrong, actually.